Welcome. So today I want to do a nice exercise to support the lungs and bring more harmony and balance to them. We're going to do that with a movement and a sound. The sound we're going to make is S. The letter S sounds like a hissing sound. That's to break up tension that you feel in your lungs. So let's lift up our arms. Take a breath in, like you're filling your lungs from your fingertips. And then touch your index finger and thumb, make that S sound. Clearing out tension. Inhale, open wide. Exhale, drop it down a little bit and make the S sound. So we're going to lift up, turn the hands over, extend them, inhale. Palms up as we exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Expanding and contracting. Good. Lift. Drop it down. And let's expand the movement a little bit more. Inhale. Exhale. And now open the hands, breathe in and push more fresh energy into your lungs. Push away bad energy. Good. Inhale. Make that S sound. Open the hands. Inhale. More energy into the lungs. Exhale. And again. Two more. Last one. Inhale. Inhale. Drop it down. Take some nice deep breaths and just see if you feel a little bit easier to breathe once you've pushed that energy. That sound is really good for breaking up any tension in the lungs. So I hope that helps. Have a great day. Take care.